Hi, this is Marky for Lily SADO Skincare. Today, I'm happy to introduce you to the Raspberry Clarifying Pink Clay Mask. It contains succulent superfoods that refresh and replenish your skin, including rose water, berries, white tea, and jojoba beads. This mask is really rich and creamy and packed with antioxidants and vitamins that soothe, hydrate, and detoxify your skin. I love the pure ingredients in this product. Rose water hydrates and brightens, controls puffiness and under-eye dark circles, and enhances skin firmness and elasticity. Pink Kaolin Clay has high absorption qualities to clear oil, toxins, and bacteria while preventing blackheads and blemishes. White tea contains the highest antioxidant of any plant. It fights free radicals and toxins while boosting collagen to plump skin and smooth wrinkles. Raspberries and strawberries are high in linoleic fatty acids to moisturize, soothe, and firm skin. The fruit's anti-inflammatory properties are ideal for sensitive skin, controlling eczema, dryness, and redness. Aloe and jojoba protect and hydrate at a deep cellular level. Natural biodegradable jojoba beads gently exfoliate skin, clearing dead skin cells and minimizing pore size. The mask's gentle vegan formula is friendly for all skin types, and like all Lily SADO products, is free of parabens, phthalates, GMOs, and always cruelty-free. To apply, smooth an even layer on your dry face and neck. Allow 7 to 12 minutes for the mask to dry. Then, simply rinse and pat dry. Follow up with a moisturizer to seal in hydration. With Raspberry, you can get the luxurious beauty spa experience in the comfiness of your own home. So treat yourself to this decadent mask, and please let us know how it's working for your skin. Thanks, guys.